Today, we are diving into a topic that will change how you see everything. What I will do if I had to start from zero, if I lost everything today: no money, no connections, no followers, no skills that paid the bills, just me and a phone. This video is exactly what I would do to rebuild my life from absolute zero. No hype, no get rich quick lies, just reality. If you are broke, lost, confused, or starting late, this video is for you. Part 1. Accept reality fast. First thing I will do stop complaining. Because complaining does not change your bank balance. It does not give you skills. It does not save your future. I will accept three brutal truths. Nobody is coming to save me. Motivation fades. Systems don't. My results are my responsibility. Once you accept this, something powerful happens. You stop waiting and start moving. Part 2. Protect MY mind before MY money. Before chasing money, I will fix my environment. Because a broken mindset will destroy every opportunity. Here's exactly what I will cut immediately: doom scrolling. Negative friends, fake motivational content, news that feeds fear. And here's what I will replace it with: long-form learning biographies of people who started with nothing. Content about skills, discipline, and leverage. Your mind is the operating system. If it's corrupted, nothing runs properly. Part 3. Get a skill that pays fast. If I had to start from zero, I would not chase passion. I had chased skills that solve problems, skills I'd focus on: copywriting, video editing, graphic design, social media management, sales. Why? Because these skills don't require any degree. We learn these skills from internet, pay based on results, not age. I had picked one skill, not five, not 10, one. And I had spent 90 days obsessed with it. No excuses, no distractions, just daily practice. Part 4. Learn while earning. I would not wait to be ready. I had start before confidence arrives. I had offer my service, cheap work for experience first. Improve every single project. Because momentum beats perfection. Your first work won't be great. Your second will be better. Your 10th will be dangerous. Skill plus repetition equals income. Part 5. Live below my means aggressively. If I'm starting from zero, my ego is dead. I had cut unnecessary expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation. Reinvest everything into skills. Most people stay broke not because they earn too little, but because they spend like they are already rich. I had build quietly. No flexing, no validation, just progress. Part 6. Build a digital footprint. While earning, I had built something long-term: a YouTube channel, a personal brand, a skill-based audience. Why? Because attention is leverage. Even if only 10 people listen at first, those 10 compound into 100, then 1,000. I had document my journey, not fake success. People don't connect to perfection. They connect to progress. Part 7. Train discipline like a muscle. Motivation is unreliable. Discipline is non-negotiable. I had create daily rules: wake up at the same time, work even when I don't feel like it, keep promises to myself. Every time you break a promise to yourself, you weaken your self-trust. And without self-trust, success collapses. The real secret. Here's the truth nobody tells you: starting from zero is a gift. No bad habits to unlearn. No fake success to protect. No comfort zone to trap you, just hunger. If you are watching this and you feel behind, you are not. You are early. And if you stay consistent long enough, your future self will thank you for not quitting today. Final line: starting from zero doesn't mean you're weak. It means you have nothing to lose and everything to build. Thanks for watching.